All right, guys, we went to the flea market this morning. It's kind of gloomy. We had a late start. Weren't a whole lot of vendors there, but we got a few things. My score of the day was that it was a big whopping $0.
The Hershey bottle, by the way, not the game underneath it.
Yeah, the Hershey bottle. That's for our scale stuff. So you guys see that, the RC stuff. But Lauren got a few games from some of our normal vendors. Yep. What'd you get there?
So from one guy, we got a Flashback Super Nintendo. I don't know much about it. I just looked it up, and it looked pretty interesting. Like, the graphics looked real cool. And I don't see it that often, so I picked it up. Yeah. And then with that, we got a Pinball Quest, which is like a pinball game, but I guess it also has like adventure elements to it.
Side games, mini games.
And then I got Blade Steel finally.
Yeah, we've been looking at it forever. It's so ultra common. And then of course PlayStation 2.
Yep. And then at the other vendor, I got Siphon Filter. I spent $35 for everything.
Yep.
The total value is $47.
Yeah. So we did all right.
Yeah, I saved like $5, $12.
And again, we're players, not so much collectors. So it is what it is. We'll get these. We got about 40 games to play now, or behind so far on our backlog.
We're behind by like 9 or 6. No, 6. We're behind 6, and adding these, we're behind like 10.
Yeah. So we'll get some gameplay out. Hope you guys dig, and we'll see you when we see you. Later on tonight, you'll see our weekend repairs, and you'll hear me gabbing. So hopefully we'll get some gameplay today, get it out throughout the week, and start slow rolling it out. Like and subscribe, guys. Hopefully you guys dig. Everything turned out good. Everybody have a wonderful Mother's Day. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.